This video will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro on your Windows 11 PC. So to do this, first head to your web browser and search for VMware Workstation. Now click on this first link that appears. Now in here you will need to click on this download now button. This will take you to a different page, that is broadcom.com. Now here you will need to click on this login option and then first click on register. Now it will ask you to set up a profile, so all you have to do is simply enter your email address and then fill in the captcha. Now click on next. Now you will need to enter the code that appears in your email address and then click on verify and continue. Now here you will need to enter all the basic details about you, so I'll just fill that in. Once you have created your account, head back to the VMware download page and then click on download now again. This will again take you to the Broadcom page. Now enter the login ID that you just created and then click on next. Enter the password for it and click on sign in. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Here click on my downloads and then click on this download link here. Now here, as you can see, it now shows all the available softwares including VMware Fusion as well as VMware Workstation Pro. Now click on it. Now here it will show different versions of VMware Workstation. Always select the latest version, so I'll just select this one, that is the Workstation Pro for 25H2 and then click on 25H2 again. So as you can see, it is now showing me the VMware Workstation Pro, but I cannot click on this download icon. For this I'll need to agree the terms and condition, and to select this checkbox I first need to open it. Once I've opened it, I can go back to the previous tab, select this checkbox, and the download link now appears like this. I can then click on it and then select yes. Now it will ask me to enter all my necessary details such as the address and everything else, and then click on submit. Now simply wait for the page to load again. Now again click on this download link and the download will start immediately. So as you can see, the download has now started. Once the download is complete, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you will have VMware Workstation Pro running on your PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.